Good morning class 10. We are solving exercise 21A. Okay, and few questions we have already solved in last class. So today we'll start from question number 14. Cosec A plus sin A into cosec A minus sin A is equal to cot square A plus cos square A. You have to prove this left hand side is equal to right hand side. Copy left hand side. Now this is A plus B, A minus B. It is in the form of A plus B, A minus B, and you know formula is A square minus B square. Cosec square A minus sin square A. Now your right hand side is in the form of cot and cos. So you have to convert this cosec square theta into cot square theta and sin square theta into cos square theta. So cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta, and sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So in place of cosec square theta we will write 1 plus cot square A, and in place of sin square A we will write 1 minus cos square A. 1 plus cot square A minus 1, minus into minus plus cos square A. 1 minus 1 cancel. Answer is cot square A plus cos square A. Proved. Now question number 15. Sec A minus cos A, sec A plus cos A is equal to sin square A plus tan square A. So this question number 15 is similar to that of question number 14. Okay. So we will solve left hand side first. Here it is in the form of A minus B, A plus B. A square minus B square. Again here it is sin square A and tan square A. So we have to replace this sec square A by tan square A. So sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So we can write 1 plus tan square A minus cos square A is, cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square A. 1 plus tan square A minus 1, minus into minus plus sin square A. 1 and minus 1 cancel. Answer is tan square A plus sin square A. Proved. Number 17. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A into tan A plus cot A is equal to 1. Now if you see the left hand side, you have different trigonometrical ratios. Okay. So and the right hand side is simply 1. You have to solve this and your answer must be 1. So in this case what you will do is you will try to express each term in terms of sine or cos. Okay, so cosec can be written as 1 by sine because it is a reciprocal of sine. Here is the reciprocal relation. Sine, the reciprocal of sine is cosec and reciprocal of cosec is sine. Cos is sec, sec is cos. Tan is cot, cot is tan. So in place of cosec we will write 1 by sine. In place of sec we will write 1 by cos, and tan A is sin A divided by cos A, plus cot A is cos A divided by sin A. So here you can take LCM of sin A, and 1 is sin A. Here you have to multiply by 1 and here you have to multiply by sin A. So 1 minus sin square A, again LCM of cos A, and 1 is cos A. Here multiply by 1 and here you have to multiply by cos A. So 1 minus cos square A, LCM of cos A and sin A is cos A sin A. Here you have to multiply by sin A and here you have to multiply by cos A. Sin into sin, sin square A plus cos into cos, cos square A. Now 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So in place of 1 minus sin square A you can write cos square A. In place of 1 minus cos square A you can write sin square A, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is 1. Multiply numerator cos square A into sin square A into 1 is cos square A into sin square A. Sin A into sin A is sin square A into cos A into cos A, cos square A, cos square A, cos square A cancel. Sin square A cancel. Answer is 1. Proved. Now next is Question number 18. 1 by sec a plus tan a is equal to sec a minus tan a. Copy left hand side. After that, we don't have anything on the denominator. Okay, so in that case, what we will do is, we will change the sign, then we will multiply numerator and denominator. So here we will change sign, plus will become minus, then we will multiply by sec a minus tan a, both numerator and denominator. So 1 into sec a minus tan a is sec a minus tan a. This is a plus b, a minus b. This is a square minus b square. And we know sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So sec a minus tan a divided by 1 is sec a minus tan a, proved. Now question number 20. Sec a minus tan a divided by sec a plus tan a is equal to 1 minus 2 sec a tan a plus 2 tan square a. Again, on the right hand side, we don't have denominator. So we will do the same process. We will change the sign and multiply numerator and denominator. So sec a minus tan a into sec a minus tan a is sec a minus tan a whole square. Then sec a plus tan a, sec a minus tan a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. Sec square a minus tan square a, and we know sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So denominator is 1. Now we have to solve numerator, and numerator is in the form of a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A is sec a and b is tan a. So sec square a minus 2 sec a tan a plus tan square a. So sec square a is 1 plus tan square a, because we don't have sec square theta on the right hand side. So we have to convert that into tan. So in place of sec square theta, we can write 1 plus tan square theta. So in place of sec square a, we can write 1 plus tan square a. Then remaining same, 1 plus tan square a minus 2 sec a tan a plus tan square a. 1 minus 2 sec a tan square a plus tan square a, 2 tan square a, proved. Now question number 21. Sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Left hand side, first copy left hand side. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. And the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Again a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now sin square a plus 2 into sin a into cosec a is 1, because they are reciprocal and their product is 1. Okay, it is already given. 2 into 1 plus, in place of this write 1 plus cosec square a plus cos square a, plus they are reciprocal, cos a and sec a, they are reciprocal, so their product is 1. So here we will write 1 again, then plus sec square a. Now we will write this sin square a and cos square a together, plus 2 1s are 2 plus 2 1s are 2 plus cosec square a plus sec square a. Now this is again 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, plus 2 4. Now your right hand side is tan square a and cot square a. So this cosec square a can be converted into cot and sec can be converted into tan. So write in place of cos square a 1 plus cot square a, and in place of sec square a 1 plus tan square a. Open bracket. After that 1 plus 4 5 plus 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a, proved.